Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury beauty and luxury makeup, all the high-end things. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'd love to have you as a part of our family. So today we are going to be talking about the new NATASHA DENONA Retro. Y'all, I wasn't going to pick this palette up, okay? But the more that I saw people review it and create looks with it, I'm like, okay, I think I need it. And I actually had a Sephora gift card, so it worked out just perfectly. So today I'm gonna do some swatches for y'all, both in natural lighting and indoor lighting. I'm gonna create these two looks. Yes, it's two different ones. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so here is the top row of shades. Starting at the bottom, we have Glitz, then Andy, Jude, Mod, and Vivian. You can barely see Vivian, but so beautiful. So that's in direct sunlight. Look at that shimmer. And then I'm gonna move over here and show y'all just in regular natural lighting. Absolutely beautiful. And then this is those same shades in indoor lighting. Okay, so here's the second row in direct sunlight. So from the bottom up, we have Groove, Apart, Psychedelic, Go-Go, and Patty. Y'all, so pretty. So I'm gonna turn over here and do it in like non-direct sunlight. Look at the freckles on my arm. Beautiful. And then here are those same shades, that second row in indoor lighting. So pretty. Okay, so last but not least, in direct sunlight, we have the bottom row from bottom to top. Swing, Nude, Mauve, or Mauve, Rebellion, Hello, and Amara, or Amara. Y'all, that Hello shade is going to be such a stunning one and done look. So here we go in natural lighting. And then here's that bottom row in indoor lighting. So pretty. Okay, y'all, so all I have on my lid right now is my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Eye Primer. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. I used this palette once yesterday, just like to do a quick look for work, and I was like, oh, I'm obsessed. So this is really hard. This may be the biggest palette that I've tried to review on YouTube. So we're gonna figure this out together. So first, I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Mod. And I'm gonna take this BK Beauty number 201 and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid as a base. Okay, so I have that down as a base. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create two different eye looks just because this is such a gorgeous palette. It's so versatile and I want y'all to be able to see as many of the shades as possible in action. So first, I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Andy with a Wayne Goss number 16, and I'm just gonna work that into my crease. I forgot to mention this is a matte shade, so I'm working this matte shade into my crease. So beautiful. So it's just almost like a light pinky purple on my skin tone. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade down here called Rebellion, which is a matte, and a Sonia G Mini Booster, and I'm gonna work that into the outer V and outer corner of my eye. Oh my gosh, y'all, that's such a beautiful shade. So stunning. So I'm actually, just to soften it up a little bit, gonna go back in with that Goss number 16 that I used in the Andy matte shade. I'm not gonna pick up any more product. I'm just gonna kind of soften it up a little bit. So pretty. Oh my God. Okay, so next, I'm gonna go into this swing shade down here, which is a metallic. And I'm gonna take this Sonia G Jumbo Blender. I had to look at the name. And I'm just gonna pat that on the center of my lid. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna take that Sonia G Mini Booster again that I used for that deeper shade in the outer corner, not picking up any more product, and I'm just gonna use it to kind of blend those two shades together. Just like that. So now, okay, and I used this shade yesterday and I am absolutely obsessed with it. I'm gonna go into this center shade right here called Psychedelic. Oh, she is so pretty. And I'm just gonna pick some up with my finger. Look at this, y'all. Look at this shade. It's so beautiful. And I'm gonna add that to the inner portion of my lid. I mean, it's so freaking beautiful. Like I can't deal. What do the kids say? I can't even. It's so pretty. Picking up that Goss 16 again and just kind of blending it all together. It's so pretty, y'all. So, I mean, see, that was like really easy. Now, granted, I haven't finished up underneath my eye yet, but I will. And basically, as I always say, I'll just mimic on the bottom what I did on the top. Okay, before I do this other eye, I wanted to mention that just had the tiniest bit of fallout. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but I mean, it's nothing like that's unmanageable by any means. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off. So for this eye, I think I wanna play with these shades right here, these warmer shades. Y'all, this palette is so versatile. See here, it's like a pinky purpley look. This is gonna be like a more warm toned look. But then you have these shades like up in here. These three right here just create like a everyday, like basic neutral eye. It's fantastic, y'all. It's absolutely fantastic. So first, I'm gonna go in with this Goss number 17, and I'm gonna go into this Vivian shade up here, which is a matte, and I'm gonna work that into my crease. Okay, so obviously that's pretty similar to my skin tone, but I mean, it added like ever so slightly a little pink hint of color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Go Go, and it's matte as well, and I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna work it in the crease as well. Look at that. It's like a pretty peachy, peaches and cream kind of color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this shade down here. It's a matte. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's Amara. I'm not sure, but I am gonna clean off this Sonia G Mini Booster and use it to go in the outer V and outer corner of my eye. So I'm going back in with this Goss Summer 17 that I used for that previous shade, not picking up any more product, and I'm just going to use it to blend it out. Back in with a mini booster. So pretty, y'all. So now I'm going to go into this shade right here called Patty. It is a metallic. And I'm going to use the other side of this Jumbo Blender by Sonia G, the clean side, to pat that on the center of my lid. So pretty. Oh my God, I love it. So now I'm going to go into this shade down here called Hello, and it looks like it's a metallic, but it looks like it's got a little bit more of a shimmer in it. And I'm going to add that to the inner corner of my lid. Okay, well that Hello shade is absolutely stunning and is so not what I was expecting it was gonna be, but like in the best way possible. So pretty, y'all. Let me grab this Goss Summer 17 again and just kind of blend all of that out on this eye. So like I said, two completely different looks from the same palette, and that's not even all of the shades. Like I said, there's those few shades that could create like just a basic neutral everyday eye. This is so stunning, y'all. So stunning. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I will link all of the other products in the description box down below that I used. I just wanted to pop on a neutral lip. So obviously I went for my Lucent Eldridge Kitten Mischief. Y'all, I have the palette right here. Final thoughts on this palette. I'm obsessed, okay? Like, I don't want to speak too soon, but this may be one of the best and my most favorite palettes that I own. Like, and to think that I wasn't even gonna pick this up is kind of shocking to me. I only have one other NATASHA Denona palette. I have the mini Zendo. This is a treat. This is an absolute delight, and all of the shades are so buttery and so creamy, and like this color story is just right up my alley. I think that it would look beautiful on so many skin tones, so many. I mean, I, again, am the palest of the pale, but these shades on like deeper skin tones, oh my gosh, I can't even imagine. I'm sure it's so beautiful. So honestly, I mean, I paid full price for it at $65. I think it's available on Natasha's website and at Sephora. I'll link it down below. I mean, if you can get it on sale, obviously get it on sale, but if not, I truly feel like if you like these colors, it's worth every single penny. I'll continue creating looks with this palette over on Instagram, but I did 2 of them today, which they're not like extremely different, but at the same time they are. And like this Happy shade that I put on the inner corner of this eye, y'all, as a one and done shade, oh my God, it's so beautiful. So let me know in the comments down below, did you pick this up? Are you thinking about picking it up? If you did, do you love it as much as I do? I'm absolutely obsessed. So again, if you like my channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, hit that like button for this video, and if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. And again, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.